JJLEE Squad, what is up? It is your boy Jordan. I'm back and I got good news. You see that, Emma? You see that? After 10 days, I have got my car back. This is the update number 2. I won't even put an intro for this one. I'm too happy. It's been 10 days without my car, y'all. I was in a Nissan. I finally got my car back. And let me show y'all the fixed bumper, pretty much. Bam. You know, I had a scratch over there. It was dented on that side over there, but they fixed it, the whole thing. It was, like I said, a whole new bumper. My fog lights was cracked. They put new fog lights. They had to rewrap my whole hood because, of course, the bumper is this whole part. So they took that off. They had to rewrap it. They put new cloth stripes because of course it was on. If you would have took the bumper off right here, then it would have been like uneven and messed up. So they put bigger ones also. Didn't even ask them to. I didn't even ask them to put new fog lights. Look at that. Oh my god. JJLEE Squad, y'all do not know how happy I am right now. This is a painstakingly 10 days I had to wait to get my car back. Calling. Is it done yet? The wrapping isn't pretty good. It is the same, but you can tell like the edges and how they did it. I cannot wash it for 30 days. If I do it, like I can do a hand wash, but you can tell it's new because it got the license plate holes. Man, mine didn't have no license plate holes. But yeah, this whole thing is new, bro. They say they got a new grill too. New grills. This is kind of dirty. I gotta wash that, but everything is new. Even the bottom spoiler is new, man. I said bottom spoiler. You know what I mean. Quick look around of the car again. Oh my god, I'm so freaking happy. They say they detailed it, but you know. Look at that. Ooh, shit. I'm so happy right now. Y'all don't even know, man. Y'all don't even know. I'll be right back. Anyway, JJLEE Squad, I am back. Quick side view. They did clean it up a little, but like I said, new wrap, new cloth stripes, new grill, new fog lights. Not cracked. Mine was foggy, cracked, super glued together. New fresh bumper. And that is pretty much it. Look at that. You can tell, bro. Whew, I'm happy. I am happy. Look, let me bend down. Click. Had to take a picture. Anyway, there you go. Sign marker. But anyway, I'm done. I'm happy. I'm gonna upload this video because I got driving to do. Because it's been 10 days without my car. So I will catch y'all later. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and regular edited videos will be coming. Catch you later. Thanks for watching, and take a good look. She's back.